Good morning and welcome. It's JQ. I'm here in Queensland, in Australia, coming to you with another little idea that I had in my head. So I'm just going to go with the flow, literally, pour my heart out, whatever all those wonderful words you use when you're acrylic pouring. Okay, to start off with, I'm customizing my base coat. I've been using this colour and loving it at the moment. It's 50% metallic gold, 50% silver, and it makes this lovely champagne colour, really beautiful colour. So I haven't put any pouring medium or anything in this yet because I wanted to coat the base of my canvas before I do. So that's the colour. This colour, the Pearl Mist, I'm absolutely gone crazy over because I've been adding the Pearl Mist to all of my dark colours, and it's been giving this beautiful iridescent shimmery shiny effect, so loving that. I'll put the link on the first comment where you can get all your global paints worldwide. This is the same colour as my custom colour that I've just made up, the champagne, but this has got the pouring medium in it, so I will be using this. But to begin with, I just want to coat my canvas. I just want to coat my canvas with the lovely champagne colour, and I'm doing it neat without any pouring medium because I want to cover up, try and make sure that I cover up, because it's a pre-used canvas, the blue that I did have previously underneath. It might not work, but I'm just going to try it. So just going over with this sponge brush, and it's definitely not going to cover because obviously this is a translucent, you can see through it. But probably by the time I've put all my other colours on, let's hope that it does. If not, I'll paint the edges of my canvas a darker colour altogether. So we'll just see. You've just got to try these things in your head. So just covered my canvas in this beautiful champagne colour, and I absolutely love it. So there you go. I will add some pouring medium to the rest of my champagne to actually be able to use it in the pour. But like I said, I've already got some made up in the bottle there, so I just thought I'd do a nice champagne base. It's nice to do a base other than white or black, I found, so that's why I'm doing that. Now, I've already got it made up in here, but what I'm going to add to it is some of my Aussie Floetrol to kind of thin it down, because I want to be able to blow this around the canvas, but also I want a few cells but not too many. I'm looking for my water, and do you think I can find it? It's gone. I just wanted to add a little bit of water in there too, but I cannot find it. So I could just go over and use the tap, but we'll see how it is with this anyway. We'll see if it flows or not. If it's a bit too thick, then I'm going to need to, it might be okay. Let's just see how it goes. This is the same colour, but this is just with the pouring medium in it. So it obviously dilutes the colour a bit until it dries, and then it seems to all dry the same. So it's no biggie, but just take it nice and relaxing, and let's see how we go with this. See if it will blow out when I come to. I think I might need to add a little bit of water in this. It's okay for now. Rightio. I was going to use my purples in this actually, just purples. We'll see how I go. Might just do little mountains of it. So this is the purple with some of that pearl mist in, and you can see it's just sparkling, really lovely. This is the lilac. This may not work, but you know I'm going to give it a go. Maybe I need another puddle here and here. So I thought that the gold and the purples would go nice together with actually nothing else but them. So I want to try it, so here we go. Hey, you have to try the things that you have in your head, and if they don't work, then you know you have lost a little bit of paint if you scrape it off, but the paint is only a small amount and the rest of my paint is pouring medium and glue. So anyhow, might go a little bit of that again. It's crazy, but let's just see how it goes. Right, I'm gonna just put some of this rest of the fluid around it. Get away, fly. Don't want you today. Sorry, no want flies today. So we'll see how this blows out. Hopefully it's a success. If not, you know, you just try. I just have these things come into my head and have to try them. So here goes. I'll just give it a hit with the heat wand. The heat wand just bursts any air bubbles. I'm not really after cells in this because I want it to look flowy. I've got my mini hairdryer that I found at the charity shop. It is a baby Baileys. So I think I've got one on my Amazon shop if you have a look down below. So let's try just one. I think I'd like more dark in that. Let's use the rest of the dark. Go to the dark side. Let's blow it out. Oh, that went everywhere. Oh my goodness, I love it. Wow. Don't despair, because I'll think of something to do in the center, but it is, I can see it's just glistening with the gold, the metallic, and that pearl mist in the purple. So I just, something gold in the center, absolutely. So maybe I might have to pour some gold. I've got some, This was a gold that I'd mixed up the same with the gold and silver, but I put a little bit of the metallic copper in it, and it sent it a little bit different shade, which is gorgeous still. So I'm thinking that maybe a kind of balloon kiss in that center to break that up somehow. But I love this. I love all of that. Looks really fantasy, whimsically looking. I like it. So I'm gonna try and I've just put the bit on a cardboard, and I'm gonna just put a bit of stuff to dip my balloon in it and try and get something, a nice center in there. So I've got an odd shaped balloon. Look, it's gone down. Julie's balloon kiss magic. So let's hope that I can get some balloon kiss magic out of this. Oh wow, look at that. Let's see. Oh my goodness, nice. So I've got a couple of pieces of card that I've got sitting here that I'm using my balloon kisses on. I will show you. I'll push it back in there again. See if I can. That's a bit ended up a bit too. Probably need to add some more colour in there, but that's okay. Just bear with it. All these kisses, I'll show you. They're so coming out so nice. They leave unbelievable effects. Actually, it's bringing the gold up from the bottom doing that, so that's okay. That's nice. So can you hear the kiss motion where I got the word balloon kissing from? Beautiful. Always getting people say to me, why don't you put those balloon kisses onto another canvas and use them? But when you're doing a video, you don't always have, you know, I want to concentrate on the video. So instead of trying to do 10 things at once. But that's all right. I'll just try my best. That's all you can do. That is, this with a coat of resin over will absolutely bring out some awesome effects. It really will, because of that iridescent paint in it. That looks gorgeous. Really pretty for a little girl's room or somebody that's got the lilacs in their room. Gorgeous. I'm happy with that. Very, very happy. That is just lovely. I hope you like that too. Look at that. It's soft and flowy. This is the card. Like, I'll bring some close-ups. The effects that some of the balloon make on the card. This is cardstock and it is curling, but when it's dried, if I put something flat, a book on top, when it's dried, it'll go flat again. Enough for me to make a gift card. You know, fold it in half and you have a gift card, or I can cut strips and make them into bookmarkers because I've got a laminator. So maybe with this one I might get my laminator out to show you on another video when it's fully dry, doing the laminator. So that was one on the card, and this is the other. Like I said, it is curling at the moment, but it will flatten out when it's dry. And I'm really happy with that. I think it just needed that softening off in the center, but that's absolutely gorgeous. Now I need to finish my edges. I think I will actually finish the edges with the dark purple, because it'll cover up all my little indiscrepancies in the canvas. So you can definitely save a canvas by doing that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video today. So thank you so much, you lovely people, for actually coming on board and watching my videos. I appreciate you all, beyond anything. I really do appreciate, because I'm doing something that I love, and really hope that you have that ability to do something that you love and that gives you joy. And especially if I can bring it to, I think I'm on 131,000 subscribers. That is insane for this mama, wife, grandmother. It's insane, and I thank you all so much. So until tomorrow, you take care of you, and then the rest will be okay if you're good. All right, until tomorrow, take care. Bye for now.